Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing table, figures, and listing review in clinical data management. Greetings from the Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. So, firstly, what is the role of table listings and findings? So, in clinical data management, tables, listings, and findings play a crucial role in summarizing and presenting data from clinical trial for analysis, interpretation, and regulatory submission. So that is our end goal for when we are collecting data. Firstly, we'll discuss what is the use of tables. Tables in clinical data management provide data summaries, often aggregate data across different variables to offer a clear view of clinical trial outcomes. There are different types of tables used. Summary tables, including demographic summaries, age, gender, etc., adverse event summaries, efficacy data across different study groups like placebo or treatment groups. Statistical tables display statistical results such as p-value, confidence interval, and risk ratios. Then there is lab data tables summarizing lab data tests for safety analysis. So this is an example of how a table look like. So tables are used to present large data in a concise and interpretable format, compare different groups such as treatment and control, highlight pattern, trends, and outliners. Key consideration is consistency. Data and tables should be presented in a consistent format across the entire trial report. Clarity, data tables should clearly define headings, units of measurement, and abbreviation. Summarization, data should be summarized appropriately, like mean, median, standard deviation for quick review. Then we are looking into figures. Figures and visual data representation, graphs, chart provide a quick and intuitive way to uh, visualize trends, comparison, and relationship within the data. So there are different types of figures like bar chart to compare categorical data, example like number of adverse events by treatment group, line graph for showing trends over a period of time, like patient response rate, Kaplan-Meier curve, often used in survival analysis to depict time to event data. Scattered plot helps to identify correlation between two variables. So this is how our bar chart, line graph, Kaplan-Meier curve, and a scattered plot look like. So they are used to illustrate a relationship or trends that are difficult to capture in tables, aid in interpreting complex data sets by simplifying the information into visual form. Key consideration, legibility. Figures should be easy to interpret with well-labeled X's and legends. Data integrity, ensure no distortions, manipulated access scales that misrepresent the data. Clarity, avoid overloading the figure with too much data or unnecessary embellishments. So then last is the listing. Listings are details output that present raw or near raw data from the clinical trials. Unlike tables and figure which summarizes data, listings offer individual level data. So there can be various types of listings, patient listings like information for each subject such as demographic, treatment groups, and outcome. Adverse event shows all records, adverse events sorted by severity, relationship to treatment or outcome. Laboratory listings present individual lab test results over time. So this is a type of a listing example. So why are listings used? To provide a detailed breakdown of each patient's data, useful for in-depth data review and verification during monitoring and auditing. Key consideration granularity. Provide enough details to allow an in-depth review but avoid excessive complexity. Sorting and filtering. Organize data in a way that supports easy cross-referencing, example by a patient ID, time, point, or type. Then data validation. Ensure listing reflects the original unmodified data as captured during the trial. Then overall importance. Tables, figures, and listings are vital for presenting clinical trial data in format that are conducive to decision making, data review, and regulatory submissions. Ensure these outputs are accurate, consistent, and clear is crucial for data integrity and for the successful completion of clinical trials. Proper formatting and careful representation are especially important for adhering to guidelines such as CIDIC standards or ICH guidelines. So this is a short video on table listings and findings. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for informative content and videos. If you are planning on doing a course with us, you can visit www.finennessinstitute.com for all the information. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.